So kapag sinabi namin na tuturuan namin kayo based on our expertise, tuturuan namin kayo dahil yun talaga yung ginagawa namin, alam namin ang ginagawa namin. We've been in the industry for several years now. At kung kagaya kayo ni Maring Mimi na nagmamanifest pa rin hanggang ngayon, patawid na tayo sa 2025. What if mag-take action na kayo? Now, kung hindi kayo sigurado kung paano magsimula, ang dami yun ang na-consume na content pero you feel like you still need some guidance pero kulang ang budget ninyo at hindi pa kayo sure if you really have what it takes. But you want to test the waters. We have a class na ang tawag namin ay Revamp Basic Work From Home Training Program. 399 pesos lang siya at kapag perfect attendance at natapos niyo yung buong training program from onboarding, live classes, perfect ang attendance, nakapag-submit ng homework on time, nakapag-application book, nakapag-mock interview, nakagraduate ng one-on-one with me, marirefund nyo pa yung 399 pesos nyo. If you guys wanna join, click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. It will open our Gig Hub. Si Gig Hub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan yung malaman para matuto kayo mag-work from home, whether free pa yan or paid. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-join dun sa pinakamura namin na training, and I promise you, this is like the pinakamura in the market na live, scroll nyo under live mentorship, hanapin nyo lang 399 Revamp Basic Work From Home Training Program. I-click nyo yon, it will open the form. Ang next class nito is on January na, so mag-join na kayo ngayon because napakabilis pong mapuno nito. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!